G'day, Simone here from Tentworld, and today we'll be talking about the Darche Vipor Chair. So this is a really good chair, and I'm here to point out a few of the key features. So, as we can see here, we have a really long back, so this is great for back support and also height-wise. We also have a cup holder that pops out the side. So what you can do is you can flick it out if you have a beverage, or if not, you can just hide it away. The other one we have is a side pocket organizer. So once again, if you need to put your drink bottle in here, maybe a few snacks in there and a little bits and bobs in the other parts. One of the best things that you can do is you can take it off if you don't need it. How good is that? Don't really need it. Another key feature we have is the large adjustable feet. What that does is it gives you stability on rocky surfaces. Another feature we have is behind here we have a large pocket. So I like to store my bags in here just in case, but also quite handy for anything else you like. My favorite feature about this chair is the fact that you can take the backrest is removable. So what you need to do is just need to click the buttons out and fold the chair in, and that means that it's a compact chair to pack up. Look at that, comes down to almost half its size. I've got the bag ready here, and what you just need to do is I always start with the top, then move my way down to the bottom. So the good thing is that this bag is actually a strong canvas bag, which is so helpful because it's going to last you a while. Very durable. And another great feature, look at this. It actually fits back into its bag, and we've got space. And now we're ready to rumble.